Traders, welcome to Simply Forex. If you want to improve as a trader, then you're definitely in the right place. Each week, I'm going to give you easy to follow trade ideas, tips, and advice so you too could also find high probability trades in the market. And if you stay with us till the end of the vid, I'm going to give you all of my trade ideas for today. And we've got some really interesting trades on the safe haven and flight to safety currency pairs. Plus, we have a 5K prop firm challenge, courtesy of Blueberry Funded, to give away in this vid. All right, so I'll give you details for that as well. It's so easy to enter. Right, loads to get on with, guys. So let's dive in. As I said, guys, right, we're looking at these safe haven currency pairs. So why are we looking at those? Because if you look at any indice, right, this is the Dow Jones, absolutely flying, right? Super bullish. If you look at the S&P, absolutely flying, right? And if you look at the NASDAQ, absolutely flying, right? So this tells us that the indices are doing well and therefore the economy is doing well, right? And when the economy is doing well, pairs like Japanese yen, Swiss franc, and gold, right, will decrease, right? They will become weaker, okay? When the economy is doing badly and the shit has hit the fan, then these will gain strength. Yeah, these are flight to safety currency pairs. But when things are rosy, these can lose weakness, guys, right? So this is going to be the catalyst for our trade ideas for today. Plus, we've got many other trades. We've got so many trades today. So let's start with a yen pair. And it's New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen, right? I also like Swiss franc yen and Aussie dollar yen for buys, but New Zealand yen was the best setup for me. So if we just follow the day chart, right, we are in an uptrend stroke range, right? We've got higher lows and these highs are holding. So we're ranging at the moment, right? And at the bottom of this range, we have had nice bullish candles. And all we want to do is take price back up to the top of this range, yeah? And this target of 9155. Possibly a bit further than that as well. All right. So uptrend, stroke range, bullish candles, room to move into. And if we drop down to the H4, there's literally a trade right now, guys. Okay. So if you just follow H4 structure, you can see we're in an uptrend. Price has retraced to a really nice level. We're getting higher lows and we're getting a bit of a bullish reaction as we speak, right? So yeah, I may well be entering this trade right away and then taking price back up to here, put my stop loss below this last low. All right, so we potentially got a trade here, you know, straight away with New Zealand yen, guys. Now let's move on to some of the Swiss franc pairs, all right? Again, we're looking at Swiss franc weakness. So let's start with pound Swiss franc. Again, I also like Aussie dollar Swiss franc, but I prefer pound Swiss franc. If you go to the day chart, right, and if we just follow the trend, right, we're in an uptrend, and then prices, just look at this awful price action, right, very difficult to trade. But literally, we've had this nice bullish candle break out of all of this choppy price action, and we've actually broken this last high here, which is significant. So this tells me we're now in an uptrend. The uptrend is confirmed and we can take price back up to these highs here. All right. If we drop down to the H4, you can see this break of this level here, right? It's broken this key level. Yeah, we was in this uptrend, price broke down, and then we've sort of, you know, regained the H4 trend again. We're still in an uptrend. Now, there's no value in here, guys, right? I don't want to start buying here, right? There's no value for me. What I want to see is a retrace into this grey zone, perhaps the moving average 20 catches up, and then I will start buying pound Swiss franc. Okay. So yeah, another flight to safety trade idea there. And I also like US dollar Swiss franc. Okay, so again, if we look at the day chart, if we just follow trend, guys, right? If we follow trend, start here. So prices come down. We're sort of ranged in this market, and then prices just shot up, right? We've broken out of this range, right? We're clearly in an uptrend because we're getting higher highs. Now, if we zoom into the more current price action, we are still firmly in an uptrend, right? Look at this. We had a candle yesterday that broke all of these highs here, right? That is a continuation of trend. And the idea is just to come back up to this area of resistance here and this psychological level of 8,700. If we drop down to the H4 now, you can see, again, we're in this H4 uptrend. But I just want to retrace, guys. I want a bit of a retrace, potentially back down to this grey zone, even the moving average 20, somewhere in this area, and then we can start buying US dollar Swiss franc. I know it's retraced, but it didn't quite hit this grey zone, right? It just missed it. So I'm still waiting for a bit of a deeper retrace before we enter US dollar Swiss franc. So yeah, those are actually, and also gold, guys. So I just wanted to cover all of the flight to safety pairs first. All right. So let's take a look at gold now as well. And we are potentially seeing gold weakness, right? Because ever since we come up to this level here, right, price has broken down. For the first time in a while on gold, we are seeing lower lows, right? Lower highs. So we are in a downtrend, and we got a nice bearish-ish candle form yesterday. So the idea would be to potentially come back down to these last daily lows here, right? But what do I want to see? So daily always gives me my direction, guys. But on the H4, I want to see I want to be with H4 trend. So if price comes up here and then price eventually breaks this level, breaks these lows, then we can start selling gold in here. But I'll stop above here and take price back down to here. All right, so as you can see, guys, there's a lot of flight to safety, safe haven currency pairs setting up for us. And guys, if you enjoyed the analysis, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button and smash that like button. Also, guys, if you haven't already, please come join our trading community. It's free, so come join our free Discord channel. If you want more than that and you want access to my trade signals, my strategies and tutorials, and you want direct access to me, then please come join our VIP Trading Academy. And right now, guys, you can get free access to the Academy by signing up with one of our preferred brokers. It's a no-brainer. Sign up with one of the brokers. Stay tuned, guys, because I'm also going to give you how you can enter our 5K challenge giveaway, and I've got more trade ideas. So let's carry on with the trades. Now, the next trades I'm looking at is all about euro weakness. Okay, so euro weakness has been in the charts, sounds like top of the pops, has been in the charts now for, a good week or so, right? We're seeing euro weakness. Okay, and again, this is the catalyst for some trades today. So if we start with the day chart, right, you can clearly see with this euro Aussie dollar, we are clearly in a downtrend, right? These highs, these last highs never broke, and we're still getting lower lows, right? We are in a downtrend. And if we zoom in now, guys, you can also see we're getting some really nice bearish candles here, right? Bearish, bearish, bearish. So daily gives me my direction. Then we're going to drop down to the H4. And what am I waiting for? So I want to see H4 in a downtrend. And right now, it's not. Okay, H4 is in an uptrend, right? We're getting higher highs. So I need to see a break of these lows, really, guys, for this to be a trade. Maybe something like this happens, then we get a break, right? Retest, we could start entering and start selling back down to this area of support here. All right, so Euro Aussie dollar is the first one. Euro Canadian dollar, guys, also like this as a trade, because as you can see, price is in a downtrend. Yeah, we're getting lower highs, yeah, lower lows, right? We're in a downtrend. Also, I really like the level of resistance here, right? There's a level through here of resistance. We've also got this trend line, right, which acts as resistance as well. So we've got like double whammy resistance here. Plus, at that level of resistance on the day chart, you can see we're getting these bearish wicks coming to the market. This tells me sellers are entering this market, right? And we want to come lower. I mean, as a target, we could potentially come all the way back down to, yeah, all the way back down to here, guys, right? Now, what I want to see on the H4, as you know by now, is a breakdown. But interestingly here, right, price has stopped making higher highs, right? It's found a bit of a area here where it stopped making higher highs. And look at the bearishness of the candles after that. But what I need to see is a breakdown in structure. So this is where we're at currently. I would need to see something like this happen, right? A break of structure, then we can start entering Euro Canadian dollar sells. There's more, guys. There's more Euro weakness. The next one is Euro pound. If we look at the day chart, again, there was, if we look at price action here, right? At this point, we're in an uptrend. Yeah, we're getting higher highs. But then look at this disgusting price action in here, right? We're not sure what's happening. But then this candle yesterday actually broke all of these lows in here. Okay, so we now have lower lows and the downtrend has been confirmed. You can see the bottom of this candle, the body of this candle just breaks all of these lows in here. All right, so the idea is just to come back down to these last daily lows. If we drop down to the H4, what do I want to see? I just want to see a retrace. You can see this level through here has proven to be good support. I want to see price come back up to this level, moving average 20 come round, and then I will start selling in here back down to this level. So yeah, there's the Euro weakness trades. There's still more, guys. There's so many trades today. We've got a couple more trades for you. But now, guys, we want to do a 5K challenge giveaway. So our partners at Blueberry Funded are willing to give you a 5K challenge for nothing if you take part in this giveaway. And to take part, guys, this is all you've got to do. All you need to do is leave a comment below this video. It can be anything you like. Make sure it's nice. It doesn't have to be nice, but just any comment below this video, and you join our free Discord channel, which is free to join. So join our free Discord channel, verify yourself, leave a comment below this vid, and you will be entered into the draw to win a 5K challenge courtesy of Blueberry Funded. All right, simple as that, guys. Get involved. Yeah, give it a whirl. Right, last couple of trades for today are these, guys. So New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. I'm in this pair, right? So if you look at New Zealand CAD, you can see that price was coming down, right? But then price has shot back up, breaking this last high. And through here is a key weekly support level, right? So we've now got higher highs, and just look at these candles, bullish, bullish, bullish. And I still think we have room to move into up to this psychological 8,450 level, right? If we drop down to the H4 now, like I say, I'm already in this trade, guys. I entered yesterday because we were with H4 trend, price retraced, yeah, and we're still with H4 trend and things are looking good, right? We got higher lows, higher highs. We're still in an uptrend, and the idea is to come higher, okay? I mean, you could even enter this trade now, guys. Enter here, stop below here, take price up to here. And the final trade idea for today is Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. So this is Canadian dollar weakness with both of these. And if we look at the day chart, again, yeah, price is in an uptrend. Again, we're at a key, this is a key weekly support level. And ever since we've hit that, just look at the bullishness of these candles. Even yesterday's candle is bullish, right? And we still have a bit of room to move into up to this level here. If we drop down to the H4, again, we've had our entry candle. This is our entry candle, right? We're with H4. Price has shot up, come back down. We've had a nice bullish reaction. You could start entering in here to take price up to here, put your stop loss below here, right? Got a nice risk to reward. All right, guys. So yeah, those are my trade ideas for today. Please don't forget to join me for the live stream today, 8 a.m. New York EST time. Please get all of your questions ready for me. We can even see how some of these trades are going. Please subscribe, like, and share, guys. And I'll see you later for the live stream. Adios.